Good morning to all. I am Alankrit Kumar Singh from Kendra Vidyalaya Sector 5 Dwarka, and I today will be going to present my project on the thermal based detection of humans and their location tracking in the defense sector in STEM. Basically, so what I'm going to do in this project is that I'm going to convert the thermal signals and temperature readings from a thermal sensor camera into unreal thermal images, and then automatically using an AI trained model determine that those thermal images are whether of a human or any other animal or object. So basically this will be planted near the forests of Jammu Kashmir and other areas where there are a lot of terrorist activities, and this camera is expected to automatically detect the humans who move through those forests and also send the signals through the GPS tracker location directly to the controller room in the army offices or other places of security, so that these people can be easily tracked and stopped. So let's see. Okay, so here we are on thermal based area. So here we can see a basic code which has been made related to how to convert the thermal images, thermal inputs into the thermal image forming out here. It will be a bit blurred right now, but when I will show you the image, it will quite visible. So let's see. Here we have used an Raspberry Pi 4, 3, and a thermal based image camera, which is mostly used to detect the temperature, but here we have somehow used to detect the thermal images. So let's see how it works. You can see when I point it towards myself, you can see an image of like a human being starts to form, thus showing that the something heated type is present just before the camera. Now if we switch it like to the laptop, you can see not so clear image, but now you can see that it has made the image of a laptop just before itself. It's a little bit of bordering also visible, and you can see it's not just like a human. That even pointed to the Raspberry Pi itself. You can see that there is not much heat on the Raspberry Pi. So here we can also see heat, but nothing is like a human-like figure. But when I point it towards myself, we'll see just now. Yes. So here we can clearly see an image of human being formed, and thus we will further move on how we can detect it and give out the locations. Let's see. Now here we are on our code based area, where we have made a code so that we can easily detect whether the thermal image is coming out of a human or not of an human. So it is already been trained using artificial intelligence. I have used some various images. I will show you just those images here. Yeah, so you can see it here. Various images have been used to train the model throughout. So after checking the code, let's run the code now. Yeah, so just run the code. Now you can see the program working. Yes, so the webcam image appears here. You can see when we just point it at the camera, we can easily see that non-human confidence score is quite high. So now we just turn the cam towards us. Yeah. Now we can see after seeing the non-human score, now we have pointed the camera towards us. So yeah, just very simply put our image here. You can see the human confidence score suddenly shoots up. It detects that yes, a human is standing before it, and thus someone is surely an intruder out here. So now let's see what it will do in response. You see, as soon as we receive the human confidence score, this happened. I have used my ESP826DA1 mini coded, you can see, and through IP API key, I have view API key extracted. I got the location of our place. You can see New Delhi, Asia, even about everything of our country, the currency, and we have got the real location of where we are just now. This is near our all location, and we are just present here. So you can see it automatically gave the location which can be sent to satellite and ultimately help in the detection. You can see it's still working on here. So yes, this is the way how we can easily enhance our defense system and build a special strong system in our India and other countries. As defense is a huge sector, and also we should remember that defense gives me now more. See, here I have connected my ESP and coded it, and now when we can see it, when our I've taken the screenshot here, when our human confidence score got positive, this happened basically. We got the real location of our place, even the currency, everything about the place, and here we are now. So the coordinates, IP, everything has been received here, and since we can now easily find where the person is and his location is, so we can see even in today's time in the army and other areas we use the night vision cameras which are only capable of capturing people moving in night, and that also in very open area. But this camera and this technology can easily help for the surveillance of the terrorists and other peoples present in the country, or moving in the forest of Jammu Kashmir to the India through any means. We can easily identify them, get their location, and capture them. So this is the way of making our defense system boosted and enhanced, and it can be quite helpful if we implement it throughout the world. So thank you.